If you're looking for ways to optimize your professional LinkedIn profile so that you can rank better on LinkedIn's native search, then you've come to the right video. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Market and Hustle, where we simplify marketing so that you can grow your digital influence and your business. Now in this video, I want to share with you a few simple things that you can start to do today to increase the performance of your LinkedIn profile so that more recruiters can find you and reach out. If you're watching, I'm assuming that you've already created a profile and have information on it such as previous jobs, including descriptions of what you did there, a summary about yourself, and maybe a few reviews from previous coworkers or supervisors. With that said, let's jump into it. The first tip I will share with you, and I really hope you're already doing this, is to turn on career interests, which is a feature that will allow recruiters to find you in their searches. Now this is completely anonymous and your current employer will have no public access to this, so you do not need to worry, and no one else will know that follows you on LinkedIn. So this is completely anonymous, you don't have to worry, only recruiters know. Once you turn this feature on, you will be able to specify what type of jobs you're interested in and in what industries, in which locations, so on and so forth. Now this is a great tool because it ensures the recruiters who do see your profile are the ones that are most relevant to you. If you're not sure where to find this feature, you can click on it on your profile and scroll down below to the summary tab and you will see it. It's called Career Interests. Now the next thing you want to do after you have that turned on is to look at your headline and consider updating it to a more relevant title. For example, LinkedIn will often default your headline to the name of your current title and where you're working. So mine at the time of this video read, Paid Social Media Manager at Open Education, but you have the ability to change this to improve the odds of a recruiter finding you as they are able to search you by headline titles and your current roles. By having a different headline versus the title you hold in your existing role, you will likely increase the odds of showing up on multiple search results. Now the last tip I want to share with you is regarding the skills section of your profile. Often, recruiters use skills targeting to find candidates that have a particular set of skills. And the great thing about LinkedIn Jobs tab is that when you're searching for jobs, it will actually show you how well you match up against the position that you're applying for by showing you a list of these skills on the job description page. You're able to cross-reference that versus the skills that you have. Now, the neat thing about this is that if you see that there's skills that are missing for a particular job that you're applying for, you can visit your LinkedIn profile, scroll down to the skills section, and just add the skill. Now, you have a limit of 50 skills you can add in this section, so make sure to use it strategically. And once you've made these updates, you can go back to the job and now submit the application so that you're better matched. So imagine that you are a recruiter and you post a job on LinkedIn and after say 3 days, you have about 47 applicants. Are you gonna look at all 47 applicants? Probably not. And a common approach most recruiters use is to look at applicants that match the most amount of skills in that skill set section and prioritize those candidates as they're gonna be a stronger fit, and then they might work their way down the list. Now you don't wanna be at the bottom of that list. You want to be on the top of that list. So optimize your skill section. It only takes a few minutes and this will help you across multiple stages of the recruitment process. And also apply the other tips as well, and it'll also certainly help increase your visibility on LinkedIn and ultimately increase the number of recruiters who are going to reach out to you for opportunities. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Market and Hustle. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up as it helps me rank this content so other people can see it too, and subscribe if you learned something new. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, peace.